Hello everyone, today I will show you how to lock iPhone or iPad for tracing. And here's how it is done. First, open your device settings, scroll down and select accessibility. Keep scrolling until you find guided access, then tap on it and turn it on. Next, tap passcode settings to set up a passcode. Pick any code you like, then go back and tap accessibility shortcut and make sure it is enabled. Now open the photo you'd like to trace. Let us say this is the image you want. Quickly press the side button 3 times. One, two, three, and you'll see guided access appear. Tap options in the bottom left corner. Turn everything off, including touch, then tap done and start. Now you can move your finger across the screen or place a piece of paper over your device to trace or draw. Any touches or taps won't interfere with the image while you are tracing. When you are finished, triple click the side button again. One, two, three. Enter the passcode you created. Tap N at the top left. And that's it. You are all done. And that is everything you need to know about how to lock iPhone or iPad for tracing. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.